Okay, language explorers. Let's look at the noun, Monday noun. So let's look at the noun age. Age. How old someone is. How old someone, or something. Something. How old something is. A time or a time in history. A place in history. So she went there at the age of 20. So she went to university, to school, anywhere, to work at the age of 20. Age of 20. When she was 20 years old. Yeah. Today, well, it'll be soon my birthday, and I will be older. I'll be a higher age. How cool is that? Age of someone, me, someone, or something. As he ages, so the continuous, as he grows, he will understand things. So as he ages, or as he grows up. Yes. As he grows up, he will understand things. Makes sense. Yeah. I have not been there. See, I have not been there in ages. A time in history. In ages. In a long time. I have not been to Portmeirion since 2010, for example. Let's jot that down. So, I have not been to Portmeirion in ages, meaning I have not been there in a long time, since 2010, for example. In ages. What? 10, 11 years. I've not been there in ages. It has been ages since I saw that movie. That movie, I have not seen it since, 2007, 2010, ages. I like being this age. It is fun. Fun. Makes sense. When you are his age, then you will change. When you are his age, you will change. Yeah. So, for example, then we could also say, this phone is 1 year old. Not very old. Age, 1 year. Okay. This book was written in 1998, 1999. So this book is old. 21 odd years. Yeah. How old it is. The age. It has aged well over the years because it's in good condition. So age. How old someone or something is. Or a time in history. I've not been there in ages. It's been ages since I saw that. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? And so, yeah, subscribe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. More classes daily, every day. And you can find me on Facebook and Telegram. Just English with Adrian. Yeah, English with Adrian. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? And likewise, you can find me on Udemy, just Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that? Let's keep exploring.